Next position is half kneeling, where from kneeling body weight is shifted to and supported by one knee. The non-weight bearing leg is lifted and brought forward slowly. It may be difficult for the patients who are having inability of supporting hip to maintain its position in extension, or muscle strength is insufficient in hip flexor group for the leg which is being swung forward. It can also be gained from prone kneeling. First, the person positions the leg from prone kneeling into the forward position and gradually raises the trunk. From standing, the person or patient can be taught to go into fox stance and gradually lowering the knee so that kneeling position is achieved. Next part is very much important, to be trained on mat, because getting up from the floor is a critical component for the patients who are elderly. Because of age they are having many kind of balance issues, or without any kind of physiological age associated changes, because of the disease or medical condition, the patient is not able to maintain balance and falls frequently. It is difficult for them to come to standing position or sitting after they fall down, and this increases risk of injury for these patients. So we need to teach them to get up from the floor after they fall down. First technique is when a person is side sitting. After fall, nearby a stable chair, he can lean forward and use arm for support to come to kneeling position. Then by swinging one leg forward, he can come into half kneeling, and with the use of both lower limbs, he can push to come in standing position. During this whole process, upper limbs are used for maintaining support. Then the person can pivot to turn buttocks and sit in the chair. Second technique is where person uses both upper limbs to lift the body upwards and backwards, or upwards and sidewards, such as in hitching and hiking, so that he or she comes to sit on a low stool or chair from the floor. When there is a stool or chair nearby that low heighted stool, the position from low stool to high stool or chair can be transferred using the same technique, and the person gradually, after shifting his body through a series of different heighted stools, can come to normal sitting height, which is approximately 18 inches. Third technique is kneeling facing low divan or bed. Then body is supported fully and the person pushes onto the bed using one or both feet and lifts the pelvis so that pelvis is placed on the bed. The person can then roll the body to supine, and by following the position of rolling from supine to side lying and side sitting and sitting, he or she can come to sitting position at last. This completes today's lecture. It may seem incomprehensible or difficult at some points, but once you try, the same transition or ambulation or position on yourself, it is easier to understand for you. So please keep practicing at home, on friends, on relatives, on younger or elder brother or sister, because practice makes us perfect, and we have this field where our skill is necessary to achieve success. Have a good day, have a great learning.